Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week of 11/2. So, we finished our extensive and sort of long study of the historical context of the Exodus tradition. And we saw that the Exodus tradition, as it was written around 1250 BCE, or composed around 1250 BCE, it functioned primarily for the ancient Israelites as a form of prophetic imagination. It criticized the Egyptians and the Canaanite city-states' way of life, a way of life that the few benefited at the cost of the many, that was oppressive and exploitative. So it was full of criticism of that way of life, and it inspired the ancient Israelites to continue to live in their radically alternative way in their egalitarian communities. So the Exodus tradition, as opposed to reporting history, the Exodus tradition functioned to be criticism and inspiration. And we made sense of that in reading the Exodus story. So this week, what we want to do is to apply that knowledge. We're not just reading the Bible in order to understand how it functioned, for an ancient group of people. We want to apply it to our lives today. So what we're going to do is sort of say, okay, what is a dominant way of life in the United States today that is oppressive and exploitative? And then how can we find groups of people that are trying to live alternatively to that? So we'll start just as a quick introduction to see a little bit of a documentary called The True Cost. It's about fast fashion and where our clothes come from, who makes our clothes, who benefits from it, but also who's trying to live differently than this dominant model of fast fashion. And then for the rest of the week, you'll be working in class and you'll be doing research and exploring a contemporary issue in which you say that ain't right, and identify the groups of people who are trying to live differently. So we're going to apply that Exodus tradition message to our lives as 21st century Americans. So the prophetic imagination research project and presentation will be worth 100 points. We have an Exodus essay that reports on the stuff that we did last week, and you can use all of your notes. You can use everything that we did together in class and assignments that you did to put that together. That'll be worth 50 points, and then there'll be some for review questions from the book. And all of these won't be due until next week. All right, I look forward to a great week and excited to see you all in class. Have a great day.